The Retry Mechanism module is a Python utility for handling transient errors effectively. It ensures system resilience with configurable retry options for failures like network issues, API timeouts, and database errors. This open-source module, part of the G.O.D framework, automates error recovery and reduces downtime. Key features include configurable retry logic for maximum retries, delay intervals, and exceptions. Exponential backoff to prevent overwhelming systems. Fault tolerance for API failures, unstable networks, and database timeouts. Integrated logging for tracking retry attempts. A decorator pattern for easy addition of retry logic. Customizable exception handling for precise control. Lightweight design for easy adaptation across projects. The retry mechanism is crucial to the G.O.D framework. It improves reliability by auto-retiring failed operations. It works with monitoring modules for proactive issue handling. It enhances scalability without performance impacts. It adapts easily with other modules. Future enhancements include advanced monitoring for better system health visibility, retry analytics for trend analysis, adaptive strategies driven by machine learning, support for distributed system retries, developer-defined fallback actions upon failure, pre-configured templates for common scenarios. In conclusion, the Retry Mechanism module is vital for reliable operations within the G.O.D framework. Its extensive features and customization options help mitigate failures in dynamic environments. As it evolves, it will lead resilient software development solutions. Adopt this module to build dependable workflows that recover seamlessly from errors.